How to recover Chime account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, you need to search for Chime account login. Head over to the second site. It will land you on the official page. Once you're in here, tap on Get Started at the top right corner of the screen. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to log into your account. First of all, enter your email address. Now if you have forgotten your username or the password and you want to recover it, then tap on Forgot your password or email address. Enter the email address associated with your account. Once done, tap on Submit. You will be receiving one verification code on your number. You need to enter the code in the section where you are asked to, and then you will be able to change your password into the new password and then re-enter it. Tap on Confirm. After that, enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.